Okay guys, I'm coming back to you with another video for another no holes drilled mounting solution from Lido mounts. And this is another one of my favorite products. This one is a Seatbolt mount that you can attach your HTs and a speaker mic on. Let me show you what we're looking at today. All right, here's the mount we're going to look at today. This is a single HT and speaker mic mount. This mounts to the front post of your seat, and you can see right down there. You just take out the bolt or loosen it just enough to slide your mount under there, and then tighten that bolt back down, and you're good to go. Got a nice rigid post here, very flexible, very easy to maneuver. This has got a ball hinge on the back. You can tighten or loosen that as you need it, and then adjust your mount to whatever angle that you need. I've had this one for a while, but I think it came with a little pipe clamp, the little metal clamp, that so that if you wanted to pull this up tight against your console and hold that sturdy, then that's what that would do. I don't use it. It's sturdy enough for me without using that. Now, this is pretty universal. This will accommodate all kinds of HTs. Let me show you what we got here. So I've got our famous Boofwang UV5G. Fits in there just fine. I've got an old ICOM 2G XAT. Got the old metal clip on it. How many of you guys remember that? Slides in there just perfectly. My fire department radio, a Kenwood. Got just a standard clip on it. If I can maneuver that. There you go. Works just fine. My Ocean KG905G. Got just a standard clip on the back. It fits in there just fine. Looky there. And then I even have the upgraded Nagoya antenna on it, and it still operates just fine here in the vehicle. A little TYT handheld, amateur radio handheld. Fits in there. Standard clip. And then another Ocean KG935G Plus, standard belt clip. Fits in there just fine. Typically, this is the one that I run on this particular mount, or have been here lately. And this one even has an upgraded antenna on it, and still works and operates here in the vehicle just fine. So whether you're on a volunteer fire department like myself, or I've already got a mobile radio that my primary channels for the fire department. So I also listen to my GMRS radio. I'm also licensed in amateur radio, and another video that I will be doing will be reviewing another plate. Have a bigger plate coming in here hopefully in a few days that will accommodate 2 HTs and a speaker mic button, and that way I can have 2 HTs running different frequencies, listening to the mobile at the same time. Just a lot more options. So, like, if you're an amateur radio, if you've got your GMRS license, volunteer fire department, even if you have a handheld scanner that you listen to, put that sucker right on there. You're good to go. Lots of uses. Guys that work in construction, you're out in the field a lot. Nobody wants to put their handheld in their cup holder and just let that rattle all around. it's not very secure, not very safe. If you was to be involved in an accident, this could become a moving projectile. So we don't want that. Keep your radio secure. I will put the link to this particular mount either in the description, maybe over in the comments. And go ahead and use my coupon of Wade Dilworth for another 10% off on this particular mount. Again, this is all one piece. The base plate, the bar, mounting, this is how it's going to come. Now, these can be swapped around if you would rather have your pad for your HT on this side and your speaker mic button moved over here. You can swap those around. You can see how they've got all kinds of different patterns. You can mount this anywhere you want to. Really customizable. Again, Lido mounts. Check out the link. Get you one today. If you got any questions, leave them for me in the comments, and I'll see y'all in the next video.